It is so nice when toxic people stop talking to you. It is like trash took itself out of your life. There is what is called pressure release in advanced level geography. Pressure release happens when glaciation, when the glaciers get melted due to higher temperatures. You know, glaciers covers the rocks. So once the glaciers get melted into water, those rocks feels like pressure has been released, and therefore what is called exfoliation happens. That is what is called cracking of those rocks, the outer layer, which leads to the weathering of the rock. So after toxic people have stopped talking to you, it's like trash took itself out, and you will really find a better life, and you will find the true meaning of who you are. You will exfoliate, you will have pressure release. That heavy weight on your back will be no more. Sometimes in life you may think people should change to become good people, to start talking right, not criticizing all your dreams, your plans and the rest. But sometimes the best is when they quit your life.